getting the old steel toe boots out. It's gonna be a firewood day. It's still cold and the bugs aren't out yet. Everything's really wet and it's gonna be a low wind day. So what we do on those days, we burn. We gotta clean up brush, stack firewood for next winter, and get on it. Let's go. I'm getting the husky going. Hopefully she starts up for the year. Might as well just use the husky. It needs to be run anyway. Alright guys, got a tank of gas through the chainsaw. Guys, this is the antsiest old man you'll ever meet in your life. You gotta sit down and relax. You're gonna tear yourself up. Hey. We're burning brush down on the hill. I'm really struggling on where to put the firewood. I want to stack 3 or 4 or 5 or 6 face cords of wood this right now or this summer. So we have lots of wood, but I don't want to put it somewhere where it's in the way because we're going to be doing lots of stuff up here. So I'm thinking I'm going to cut all the dead branches off the bottoms of these pines and stack it over there, because I'm not cutting those pines down, so it's really the only safe place to put stuff that isn't going to be in the way. nice size poplar. Do 16 footers if I can do 2 or 3 16 footers. That'd be awesome. That'd give us a lot of siding for the cabin. So.
Guys, sometimes I wonder which of our dogs is the old man, because Timber's in here just taking a nap. Came in here about an hour ago. He came in here about an hour ago and just taking a nap, and Ben's the one walking around outside, walking up to Jason while Jason's on the tractor and being in the way. And the 1.5-year-old puppy is the one we are not worried about. He's taking a sweet little puppy nap. Oh, it's so hard to be a baby, isn't it? What, you want to come take a puppy nap too? Is it nap time? On the off-grid property? Nap time? What do you want? Are you almost 14? Or are you a puppy today? Do you and Timber...
How are you even moving today? You went up and down a hill 3 times yesterday. Your truck's full. We'll go unload that, and then we'll just back right up to that, and
Okay,
all that stuff is...
it's like a little hilly there, and I pulled up before. I had to put a log under the tire because it started to roll backwards because there was weight in the back, just so you know.
Yeah, I'll go up towards the fire pit and just back straight up to it. That way it won't roll.
Okay. Timber's going for another mule ride, guys. Maybe we'll take you for a ride tonight, T. No hills or nothing scary this time, T.
Can't see it.
And go. Got like 2 feet. You're good. That's good. Still wants to roll back a little. I noticed that some of it was like really pretty when it was.
I don't know what this is. It's kind of maple. Probably like spolten maple because it's starting to blue. Alright guys, for some reason cherry trees, all the choke cherries up here are dying. I don't know why. So there was a couple of standing dead ones over there that I cut down. All the bark's off of them. The 2 of us are going to go grab those and buck them up and take them up to the cabin. Good wood. So this is all just kind of old junk wood. So this is going to be campfire wood. I was just over here fiddling with the mosquito magnet, which... I don't know whether to support it or not, because last year it works. I don't know how helpful it was out here in the woods. But anyway, I was just over here fiddling with the
It is a
mosquito magnet, and I saw this one, and then there was a couple right here. I stepped on them and squished 4 or 5 of them.
I got this one too, that other GoPro.
These were growing right here in the middle of our lot. And then there's this one, I was looking at this one over here, which it's nothing to write home about. But I don't know if it's real or not. Is there real ones and fake ones, guys?
I don't know.
So there you go. How do you know if they're real or fake? Or if there is even fake ones and I'm just making it up. But here's a couple that I stepped on and we're squishing them. They're all right over here. There's like 4 or 5 of them that are right here. This one's all dried out. There's one right there too. Jenny's probably, no, she's not. So leave these growing, I guess, and see how big they get. Since we know where they're at, right?
Yeah.
These ones I squished. These 4 or 5 little ones are all destroyed. There's a whole row of them right here. And I squished them. Growing right here at the base of our maple tree.
So they're supposed to like to grow at the base of hardwoods.
Have any of you guys ever morel hunted? That's probably good. That means maybe we should go look around tonight after we do a little more firewood. Yeah, we'll do that. Yes? Go for a cruise in the mule, and then we'll go for a little hike in the woods and see if we can find some more.
Are you my little baby? Huh? Are you my little baby? Why you're so nice, little turkey. Go there. Go get him. Dad, I'm here to play.
All right, guys, we want to do a wrap up here. We didn't do anything with the cabin at all, did we?
No, because we couldn't, because we need to start the deck, and we can't start the deck till we flatten the ground.
Yep, we were gonna rent a machine this weekend and it didn't work out. Jenny didn't have the phone number ready, and she kept telling me to call. I wouldn't commit because I just figured they'd be available. So anyway, we didn't get anything done up at the cabin other than we burned the brush and cleared and cleaned and got firewood ready for next winter. And we did a lot of stuff. We just didn't work on the cabin this weekend. So we prepped some logs for the wood mill. We didn't get to mill any of that. We did fire up the mill for 1 log, so I know everything's ready to go. And we're heading out right now. So we just wanted to wrap up, let you know we had a great weekend. We got other stuff done that we need to get done to get to the next step. So, all right. So thanks for sticking with us, guys. Welcome to all the new subscribers, and we'll try to get you some cabin videos here pretty soon, okay? We're excited. I hope you are too.
Deck time!
Deck time.
Woohoo!
All right. Best wishes, guys.
Bye, guys.
Bye.